Lesson 1. Kashmiri speech sounds. The speech system of Kashmiri is made up of 42 segmental phonemes, of which 27 are consonants and 15 are vowels. Vowels. Vowels in Kashmiri have short and long counterparts. There is clear contrast between short and long vowels.
I, sir.
There are two sounds, E and E. The word for E is sir. Sir means secret.
Sir.
Sir is brick.
Zit.
Zit is elder.
Zit.
Long.
Zen.
Zen is mud.
Zen.
Win.
Pen.
Will fall.
Pen.
A process in weaving.
Tur.
Cut piece.
Tur.
Cold.
Ur.
In good condition.
Ur.
Plum.
Tur.
She crossed.
Tur.
Made her cross.
Us.
Laugh.
Us.
I came.
Ak.
One.
Ak.
You came.
Gur.
Horse.
Gur.
Milkman.
Shur.
Child.
Shur.
Got repaired.
Zor.
Deaf.
Zor.
Force.
Dor.
Strong.
Dor.
Run.
Sod.
Simple minded.
Bod.
Wisdom.